Welcome to the another episode of Abstract Thesis series. In this series, we are digging deep into the Power BI concepts. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for our new video. Hello and welcome to another video of Abstract Thesis series. In this video, we will try to create a distinct sorted numeric string using a string which is already been provided, a text string which is having duplicate numbers and is a text. So we don't want a text sorting, we want a number sorting. So we are going to try that out. So what we'll do in this one is let's head over to Power BI, and I already have a data which actually I don't want to do transformation index. I want to do it in Power Query. So let's head over to Power Query and using the transform data, and you can see you are seeing a number which is some 17 digits. This is because the data type has been changed. You can see the source data is correct, but because the data type change has happened, this has become number. So this could happen sometime. So what we are going to do is we are going to correct this data type. So we will go to the data type and we make it as text, and we will use replace current. We will not add a new step. We don't want it to convert, because if we convert it, then it will lose that text part, comma comma comma, and we will not be able to do it. So anytime you face such difficulties, you have to do the replace transformation at the first step when you are doing it. So now you can see we have this string, and you can see there are certain duplicate numbers also, like some of the numbers are repeating, 4 and 3, all these are repeating, and this is the text string. So what we need to do is we need to take a distinct of this and sort it. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new column. So in that new column, we are going to do the various operations, and then we will try to get a numeric sorted distinct element list. So that's what our objective is in this video. So let's create a new column, custom column, and we will call it distinct sorted. So now let's begin with the operations. So I'm not going to do all the operation in one go. I will do step by step. Each time I'm going to show you. So first operation I'm going to do is Text.Split, and then I split this, and then I take the string and I'll say okay. I taken the string, I say Text.Split, and I click on OK, and you will see there is an error, because while splitting we need to check by which thing we need to split. So we will say comma now, and now the split is correct. We are getting a list. So click on the empty space after this one, and you can see the list now. We have all the elements which are there into a list now. So let's again click on the setting icon here, and then go and try to do next operation. So what we want now we got the string. We want to take the distinct element. So we will use List.Distinct. We have a function List.Distinct which can take distinct element of a list, and then we close this one operation. This requires only a list, so we given a list and we say okay. Again we click on the empty space, and then we can see that this time the list don't have duplicates, only distinct elements are available in this list. So let's click back and next try to do next operation. The next operation we would like to do is now we would like to sort this thing. So we will say List.Sort, and we List.Sort required a list, and we given a list here which is coming out from List.Distinct, and we close this parenthesis, and now we go ahead and say okay. Now when we click here in the empty space and see, you can see the string is sorted, list is sorted basically, but this sorted is text sorting, not the numeric sorting. You may say okay, when we combine it, it might come correct, because maybe it is looking like this, but let's combine this and see in the text how does it looks like. So let's go ahead and do operation to combine the elements on the list. We have something known as Text.Combine. Now Text.Combine can combine elements inside a list. So you can look at the first parameter list. Let me show you again. The first parameter is a list basically. So first parameter is list, and then we can give at the end we will go and we give the second parameter, which is basically the separator. We got a comma separated string and we are going to make it again a comma separated string. Okay, so now we got this, but you can see the sorting is not correct. It is 11, 12, and then 3, 4, 5. So we actually need a sorted string which is numerically sorted. So what we need to do is we need to convert the element of the list into numbers first, and for that we have something known as List.Transform. Now let's try List.Transform simply, and then we go ahead and say okay, this one, and we give the second argument. So second argument is a transform function, and the function which we want to use is number from text. That's the function we are going to use with underscore to provide the list elements. So we give underscore here and we say okay fine, we do this operation, and then uh, we can remove some of these things to make this thing simpler, because otherwise if there is some error we will not be able to figure it out. So let's say okay, and we see error. Why there is an error? We need to debug, and it's saying some record type is text. So we are doing some mistakes. So let's go back and let's try to even remove some more things and see where is actually the error is, and this is how you debug it. So we will remove this List.Sort also. So let's say, is it error happening here or is error happening in the transform? So we still see error. Definitely it's happening in the transform. We are missing something in the transform operation, so we need to go ahead and correct that. The thing which is we are missing is we are not saying this operation need to be done for each element of list. We are simply saying it is need to be done for the complete list. We need to push this operation to the each element. We were missing each. Now we have created a loop, and now you can see this operation has happened on each element of the list, and so we have given each number from text. Now our it is all numbers, so we can now should be able to sort it on the number sorting, and List.Sort should again help us out. So let's try again List.Sort. So we take List.Sort and then we again put it in, and then we say okay. So now we can see that these elements are sorted in a numeric order. So we got the correct numeric order. Now again, now we want to combine, but again it will not combine because we want to use Text.Combine, then it will not combine because this is not text. So we need to repeat the transform operation. Now this time we will convert text into number. So we will take the same operation and do it again, but this time we will say number to text. Again underscore we will use to get the elements of the list, and we complete this operation. Now everything is text again. So let's go back and check. Everything seems fine here. We got the text list. Now we will go ahead and now combine it using the Text.Combine. Text.Combine again need two argument. One is list and second argument is the separator when we are combining. So what we want to give here is separator is a comma. So we will give a comma separator. If we don't give a comma separator, then it will become a single string, which we don't want. It will look like a number. So we got the string. So now this is a string which is sorted with the distinct element of the list which has been provided, and sorting is numerical sorting. It is not the text sorting. You are not seeing these as numbers. So the basic objective of this video is that you can see we can do various operations in Power Query by looping the set of operations. Now this is one of the complex transformation which we can do by looping certain set of functions which Power Query has provided us. So what you can do is you can also go ahead and try such things, or let us know what transformation you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.